Hey, this is Rich from housebarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and today we are going to be repairing a broken tile in a bathroom shower. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we like to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. So we're in a guest shower here, and this is the tile in question. It has this crack going through it. We need to remove this tile and replace it with another one. The first thing we're going to do is tape off all of the surrounding tiles so that we don't damage any of those when we go to remove this one. All right, this is the tool we're going to be using to do this job. This is a DeWalt multi-tool, and we love this tool. It's very versatile. We've got another video that shows all about it, and it's going to be perfect for this job because it's got this little blade. We're just going to use that to chip out the grout line, and then we can remove the tile. And we're going to put a link in the description below. It's our Amazon affiliate link, and if you purchase this multi-tool through our link, all you have to do is click on it. You'll get taken right to Amazon, and then Amazon will give us a small commission because you purchased the tool through our link. And the cool thing is it won't cost you an extra penny. So thanks for doing that. So here we go. My safety gear in this video is just my safety glasses because we don't want anything flying into our eye. All right, now I've got a hammer and a chisel and a screwdriver. And so just trying to get the edges a little free here. And at some point I'm gonna try to break this up and extract it. Well, that went pretty well. Okay, well, the tiles aren't broken. You know, as you can see, this makes quite a bit of a mess, and I'm going to clean that up next. One thing I forgot to mention is it's good to put a washcloth or something over the drain if you're working, you know, in a bathtub shower area so that none of that goes down your drain. Okay, now we have to measure for the new tile, leaving about 1/8 of an inch on each side for a grout line. All right, here's the piece we just cut. And it's going to go in there like that, and we'll have a nice little grout line on each side. Okay, so we mixed up some mortar and we've applied it to the back of this tile. We applied a little bit of the mortar to the wall as well. All right, now I'm just cleaning out any extra mortar that is around the tile. Also trying to push it into place and try to get it as close as possible to all the tiles that are around it as far as the depth from the wall. We know these are 1/8 of an inch spacers. So we'll put those in so that the tile can set up nicely tonight. Okay, it's the next day and the tile is set up nicely with the mortar. So now we're going to do some grout and I've mixed up some white grout here. This is my float. And this is just going to go in this little 1/8 inch line that we made with our spacers. This grout, we want it to be about the consistency of peanut butter so it adheres to the float and it doesn't just fall down the wall. I'm just trying to remove the excess grout. So now we're just going to use a damp sponge, and we're trying to get any excess grout off of here before it dries. All right, so this dried over the weekend and we cleaned it off, and this was the broken tile that we replaced right there. So it's matched up and it looks pretty much good as new. Well, that's all there is to it. Hope this video helps if you need to replace a tile somewhere in your bathroom. And if you got anything out of the video, please hit the like button. That helps us out. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe because we have a ton of home improvement videos coming out soon. Thanks much for viewing.